duct to this. Other than put tape on the back. Ellie, no! Got these two things. And I need help with this. I need scissors.
I don't know.
Can you find me scissors? I don't have scissors. Well, I'm gonna get upset by opening up my bullets. So you must have to get a big one. And I have to get this. And so mostly when I'm done, it looks like this. Oh yeah. I can see inside. Yeah, that's good. I'm back. And it's me, Ariel, again. And today I got a gun. I got it for Christmas. Now let's unpack it. Ah! Really? I'm angry. I could have done that. I killed her. And I couldn't. Oh. This is gonna take So we got our instructions right here. Open sesame, please. It's not working. Ta-da! So we have 5 bullets. They're all in pantries. They're all looking the same, but they're all kind of different. Where are they? It's time for the gun. This one is luckily easier than the other ones. This is how it looks. It has zebra stripes, it has a little blue. I have purple, and then I have blue right there, and then orange up in the front. Here's the front, and this is the back. This is the outside. On the side, and on the other side. And up there, you can see it. And here's the launcher. Pull it back like that, and then you put a bullet in. Bye. It's gonna be epic. It's war! War!
All right, so stand together. Who's the winner?
This is Ruben.
This is Ariel. This is Raymond.
All signing off for the House Full of Morans. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you've ever had your own Nerf War. And stay tuned for our next venture. And tell us what else we should do for our next video. Bye.